Hello, I'd like to show you my latest invention, which is the second version of my Steampunk events computer, which is plugged into my backpack so I can send information to and from the computer in there. Now this is a smaller version than the first one I made. It has fewer physical controls, and I got rid of the box that was on my upper arm which contained the computer there, so I've got a smaller one inside here, and it does the same as that one and a few more things, for example humidity. So I've got buttons there for making the robot on the backpack look left and right when there are photographers to my left and right. I've still got all my steampunk events there, or the times and venues, so that's the same. That button's going to be a menu to send more commands to this other robot I'm working on. I've got diagnostics there for the backpack, help button, and also another way of getting to the menus just in case any of these broke down. I can press this and, for example, I can go to an alarm menu which I'm working on. I'm going to add to this just to see whether the door on the backpack's being open for too long, and I'll get an alarm there, so that's another little thing I'm adding to. So other than that, it's the same, just more compact, and it'll be less encumbered on the day due to that box on the upper arm that kept slipping down. It was just annoying me, which was a motivational factor for this invention. So I guess that's it for another video, and thank you for watching.